Tesla certified specialists, we are the experts in the consultation, design, and installation of battery energy storage systems for businesses. Battery storage can be used to reinforce or reduce your electrical requirements, generate revenue by offering grid services, provide backup power, capture excess energy from wind or solar. In some cases, provide uninterrupted power supply, UPS. We are able to provide bespoke battery energy storage solutions to meet your business's needs whilst maximizing financial benefits and reducing carbon emissions. Whatever your requirements, our team of renewable energy experts can guide you from start to finish and help your business save money, reduce emissions, and secure future energy generation for years to come.